In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get notifications for Facebook Marketplace. If you use Marketplace to buy or sell, getting timely alerts is crucial. I'll walk you through the exact settings to check so you never miss a message or an important update. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and log in if you're not already. From the main screen, look to the upper right and tap the three horizontal lines to open the menu. On some devices, this menu may appear at the bottom, but the icon looks the same. In the menu, tap Marketplace to enter the buying and selling section. Once you're in Marketplace, go to your profile by tapping the small profile icon in the upper right corner. This takes you to your Marketplace profile and tools. Now scroll down and tap Settings. These are the Marketplace specific settings, separate from your general Facebook preferences. Next, choose Notification. This is where you decide what Marketplace events can reach you as alerts. Start with messages from seller. Open that option and make sure notifications are turned on. If you see individual toggles for push alerts, enable them here so you're alerted on your device right away when a seller reaches out. If any switch looks disabled or you're not getting alerts despite turning this on, double check your phone's system settings later to ensure Facebook is allowed to send notifications. After confirming messages are enabled, go back to the previous notification screen. Now tap Updates. Updates cover things like activity on your listings, saved items, and other marketplace changes that matter to you. Make sure the setting is turned on or select the option to turn on all updates so nothing slips through the cracks. This helps you catch price drops, offers, and listing status changes without constantly refreshing the app. That's it for the setup. Quick recap: open Facebook, go to the menu, enter Marketplace, open your profile, head into Settings, then Notifications. Turn on messages from seller, go back, then turn on updates. With those two areas enabled, you'll get real-time alerts for conversations and important activity, which is especially helpful if you're coordinating meetups or monitoring interest in your items. A final tip: keep the Facebook app updated so notification options stay current, and consider muting only what you don't need rather than turning everything off. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother marketplace experience with notifications that actually work for you.